Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Umindirang ba ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ka pratrik ujumang aladar pausan ulahir jurib yaka jingshna badangya Shakmat yaka Secretariat Thymmai jong Jylla halo ulum Hajrong Umsawli New Shillong Township. Kediga jinglet jurib jong umindirang ba ka long ban pintikna ka belas dang ka diban telun Shakmat kanang ban yo pendapno yaka diga projek kat kum ka thong baga sarkar kalabu. Kumanju pintip hang ni belasna ke Secretariat haka jaka behe san pulai akar bat dia ka balamang pisa siajar chispa prabu praklur.
We are somewhere here. Right? Oh, we are here.
Yes, we enter the site. Okay. Being opposed that you enter the site, that was around this street. तुम पकड़ लो ना बस पानी देगा फिर कॉपी रहेगा साफ कर the second block now. They are also coming up fast, no? We don't take it. We have come here to the site of the new Secretariat, and as you can see behind me, the work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is doing at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work, and we expect that the project should be completed on time, and we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very, very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city. Because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the Secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we've reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time. I have